Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy.
Hi, Philip Griffith here again from the Photo Managers Conference, and I'm here with Rhoda Gordon, who has a business, Sunflower Photo Solutions, in New Jersey.
Both in New Jersey, in Monmouth County, as well as in Bluffton, South Carolina.
Okay.
South Carolina.
Okay, great. And what's something that you've done with a client this past year that's been interesting?
Oh, so many things, but one that comes to mind is that I was organizing one of my clients' collections, both her print media as well as her digital media, and she handed me some boxes that were from the 1900s, or that's what it was labeled. And when I opened it up, I found just 3 years worth of letters written from different places during World War I, different places in Europe, and they were written on this very thin paper, like onion skin paper, almost. You forget that even existed. And it was just so touching. I digitized them. It was written both from a husband to his wife and the husband to the daughter. At the time, he had one small child. And so touching, and just the information in it, his daily life. So I digitized them, and they actually turned it into a book for the client.
Okay.
I helped her, obviously. I did it for her, but it was for their family.
Great, that's fabulous.
Yeah. And just saving the memories and saving that story is
So that was
important.
for the client, was the daughter or the granddaughter?
The granddaughter of the person who wrote the letters. She was
Okay.
the daughter of that child that received the letters.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So that's really special, and then she can give that to her
Her
children,
children.
so they can know their great grandfather.
Yeah.
So now that is using your photos and memorabilia to tell your story so that they will last for generations. We'll see you next time.